Well, it's always fun ये जानने में कि आपके फेवरेट कलाकारों का घर, उनका सपनों का आशियाना अंदर से कैसा दिखता है। और वेल आज हम आपके साथ फिर ले आए हैं सेलिब्रिटी होम्स में ऐसे कलाकार के अंदर का स्नीक पीक जिसको देखकर आप लोग रह जाएंगे कम्प्लीटली डाउन सीइंग कि हमारे कलाकार ने किस प्रकार से अपने घर को दिया है एक पर्सनल टच। जी हाँ, हम बात कर रहे हैं छवि मित्तल की, who has given a house tour to her fans and explained every area of her house. While the actress was often asked about her vintage belongings, spoke about the importance of having a kid-friendly home and a lot more. बात करते हैं छवि की इस खूबसूरत एंट्रेंस की। छवि has planted several saplings at the entrance of her home and has brought an antique planter with a fake plant in it. There are also separate shoe racks for her and her husband Mohit. छवि has portraits of the family on the grey wall and jokes about how her husband always complains about getting less space for his particular things. Talking about the hall itself, since छवि and Mohit love to have friends over, they have a bar area in the hall and a TV fridge besides it. It is also a dining table, a recliner, exquisite chair, and a lovely curtain against the transparent sliding walls. छवि added extra shades of grey and blue in the hall apart from white. It also comprises a reading space, gym cabinets, and to give a more vibrant feel to it, the hall has photos of couple and daughter Ariza. Their son Arham's photos are yet to be printed and therefore that's missing from that particular wall. The mother of the two has also advised how a house should be very much kid friendly. बात करते हैं बच्चों के कमरे की, Ariza's room. Ariza के कमरे में आपको दिखाई देगा एक caricature on the door and a customized bunk bed, which is quite spacious and cozy. It also includes a study table, monkey bar, and snaps of her childhood photos. She also has a transparent curtain, which gives a feel to the house of like a tent house. The next one being Arham ka kamra. Ji haan, Arham's room has a mix of blue shades with white and stars on the wall with a sofa cum bed on the white cot. He also has cupboards full of toys. Talking about the utmost special place, that's the balcony. Chavi has a spacious balcony with a hammock which she got from Goa to relax on it. The actress added space from her hall to make the balcony look spacious while climbers in it. The balcony too has a bar stool and a table to rest their cup of coffee when they are actually sitting and chilling. Talking about the most important area of the house, that's the kitchen. Chavi's obsession with white still continues in the kitchen too. She has divided her kitchen in two parts, one where she cooks and the other one where she dry area for preparing coffee and more. Chavi ने बताया कि कैसे वो इस घर में May 2 को शिफ्ट करे when she was carrying Arham and just had 2 days in hand to clean the house as the baby was due on May 4th. However, her delivery got delayed as Arham was born on May 13th and the couple got some extra time to set the house the way they wanted. Master bedroom. Chavi and Mohit's master bedroom has pictures of the couple from their vacation before embracing parenthood. The room has a cupboard within the wall where she has stored her medicines and has made maximum use of the minimum space in this room. Last but not the least, the bathroom area. The bathroom too has a lot of cabinets which Chavi has kept makeup products in and colorful wallpaper on its windows. It's a simple yet sweet space here. Well, सही होगा कहना कि छवि ने अपने इस आशियाने को वाकई में अपना एक पर्सनल टच दिया है और वो चीज आपको वाकई में छवि का घर का ये स्नीक पीक देखते हुए और उनका ये घर का टॉर पाते हुए नजर आएगी कि कैसे छवि ने अपने परिवार की हर खुशी, अपने हर टेस्ट को फॉलो किया है इस घर के जरिए। और ये तो थे आज के एपिसोड के हमारे कलाकार छवि मित्तल जिनके घर का खूबसूरत टॉर हम आपसे शेयर कर रहे थे। आप हमारे साथ अगले हफ्ते फिर जुड़िएगा एक और ऐसे कलाकार के बारे में जानने के लिए इन yet another episode of Telly Chalker Celebrity Homes. Until then, stay tuned to Telly Chalker for all the more updates for the Telly world.
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chalker's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.